Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, front license plate bracket, privacy glass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.